Alright guys, we're starting out here with a 4-baller. Means I get 15 free games. It's helpful, obviously. It doesn't mean you'll win anything. Hopefully, I will. You want bonsai trees in the middle? Connecting stuff, or two more free games. That's 22 bucks there, and it's just kings. Obviously, elephants are worth the most. And I missed on the second reel. So far has not been great. Well, $8. Halfway through the games, it's going fast. I need some re-triggers. It just doesn't want to do it though. It's like, no you don't. Oh, where's the rest of the elephants? Okay, alright, 8 more games. That's very helpful. First 12 games, not great. Still got 10 left. Maybe I get some more re-triggers. Because most of these are zeros. Alright, there's a good hit. 52 bucks there. Something, something. Come on, alright. 5 more. I missed the bonsai tree. Kings, but I missed the elephant there. Oh, where's my elephant? Still 18 bucks, but man. No, getting low on games. 129 bucks though, that's not bad for a $3.50 bet. 21 bucks, up to 150. Alright, that's one. There we go. 168 right there. If I would have whatever that thing is there, bet another 168. Or up 318. Come on, Rare, yes! Alright. Oh, there we go. Now we're logging. $42 is just queens. Up to 361 on this bonus. Now we're getting low on games. Only 4 left. Uh-oh. Might be it. Said you won enough. Last spin Johnson here. Nah, negative. Still pretty good, guys. 361. Please subscribe.